Hello and welcome to the Birla Biology Club, where we make biology fun and easy. I am Usman.
And I'm Aleena Phillip, and today's topic is Nephron.
This lesson will include the excretory system, what is a nephron, parts of the nephron, functioning of the nephron, the proximal convoluted tubule, the loop of Henle, the distal convoluted tubule, and finally the collecting duct.
Let us look at the excretory system. Excretory system regulates the chemical composition of the body fluids by removing metabolic waste and retaining the proper amount of water, salt, and nutrients. Key points are human excretory system includes organs that facilitate the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body. The main excretory organ includes kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidney filters the blood and urine is the filtrate obtained. Urine passes to the urinary bladder via ureter and is expelled out of the body. Kidney also regulates the osmotic pressure of mammal's blood through excessive purification and filtration, which is known as osmoregulation. Fun fact, the human bladder can stretch to hold about 400 ml of urine.
Moving on, here's the nephron. A nephron is the basic structural and functional unit of the kidney. They are the microscopic structures composed of a renal corpuscle and a renal tubule. The word nephron is derived from the Greek word nephros, meaning kidney. There are about millions of nephrons in each human kidney. Each of your kidneys is made up of about a million filtering units called the nephrons. Each nephron includes a filter called the glomerulus and a tubule. The nephrons work through a two-step process. The glomerulus filters your blood, and the tubule returns the needed substances to your blood and removes the waste. Fun fact, if the nephrons in the two kidneys are removed and laid end to end, they cover a distance of 10 miles.
Now that we know what a nephron is, let us have a look at the parts of nephron. Bowman's capsule. It is a cup-like sac at the beginning of the nephron. It surrounds the glomerulus. It has a vesicle cell membrane. Glomerulus. It is a capillary trough which receives blood from the renal circulation. The blood is filtered here by ultrafiltration into the Bowman's capsule. The proximal convoluted tubule. It is the first site for reabsorption of the water and salt into the bloodstream. It occurs by passive diffusion. The loop of Henle. It is a U-shaped tube having a descendant and ascendant limb. The descending tube is permeable to water, whereas the ascending tube is permeable to the ions. Distant convoluted tubule. It is the final site of reabsorption to maintain the blood osmolality. The water is diffused. The antidiuretic hormone increases the permeability of the tubule.
Now let's move on to the functioning of the nephron. First, the nephron uses 4 mechanisms to convert blood into the urine. They are filtration, reabsorption, secretion, as well as excretion. The primary function of nephrons is to remove all waste products from the blood. The blood passes via the glomerulus with high pressure, and as a result, the small molecules are moved into the glomerular capsules. The cells present in each tube absorb different molecules, excluding glucose, water, and others. It regulates the fluid volume in our body.
The glomerulus, the filtering unit of the kidney. It is a specialized bundle of capillaries that are uniquely situated between two resident vessels. These capillaries are each contained within the Bowman's capsule, and they are the only capillary beds in the body that are not surrounded by interstitial tissue.
The proximal tubule is the first site of water reabsorption into the bloodstream, and the site where the majority of water and salt reabsorption takes place. Water reabsorption in the proximal convoluted tubule, or the PCT, occurs due to both passive diffusion as well as active transport. Fluid leaving this tubule generally is unchanged due to the equivalent water and ion reabsorption. The convoluted portion of the vertebrate nephron that lies between the Bowman's capsule and the loop of Henle and functions especially in the reabsorption of sugar, sodium and chloride ions, and water from the glomerular filtrate is also called the proximal tubule.
The loop of Henle. The loop of Henle is a U-shaped second segment of the renal tubule which is located between the proximal and the distant convoluted tubules. It plays a role in the transportation of ions, water, and the concentration of urine. It, along with the conducting ducts, are major sites of faculty water reabsorption.
The distal convoluted tubule DCT and the collecting duct CD are the final two segments of the kidney nephron. They have an important role in the absorption of many ions and in water reabsorption. The distal convoluted tubule can be subdivided into the early and late sections, each with their own functions.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Do like, share, comment, and any doubts below. We'll be happy to help. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.